Africa, what cities in the world can you walk around at night with a big old pizza and a big old camera and look like nothing's gonna happen? I feel blessed. This is East Africa, guys. This is Eritrea. It's fine. It's super safe. So, first impressions of Asmara. It's very clean. It's very nice. It's a little bit quiet, so we're gonna see if we can get some interaction. But
this doesn't feel like Africa at all. Like, this is my 15th African country, and the culture and just the way it is from walking around, I would never in a million years guess I was in Africa.
it's placed on them. They carry on with strength and dignity. Asmara is quiet and controlled, but it's also beautiful, and it's frozen Italian and African culture mixed together. 100% without a doubt, I will go back, because behind the headlines and the politics, there are real people there to discover in Eritrea. Thank you for